So here's your old Farmall Tractor. We came down here and looked at it a few months ago, and I wanted to bring you down here so I could get a picture of you with it.
Somebody's done made a picture.
Well, I don't have one with you.
Got a flat tire.
Come get on this side and see how it looks. Is this going to make us dark?
I'll take it back that way.
Is it dark?
Yep.
Okay, come back. Come back.
Get outside and take it in.
Yeah, he's telling you right. He knows about filmmaking. That Ralph was filming stuff before I was even born. So tell us about this tractor. What kind of horsepower will something like this have?
I don't know about that. It didn't have about 20 drawbar horsepower, 25, something like that. That's the drawbar in there. That's a 50 model Farmall.
Do you remember where you bought it at?
Yeah.
Where'd you get this at?
Chalk Ride.
Chalk Ride, okay, yeah, you was talking about that down there when we was eating at the pool room downtown. You was talking about buying some tractors from Chalk Ride.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you bought this in 1950, you'd done been about 24 years old when you bought this.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't that old.
Wasn't that old?
I don't believe.
So you started farming at a young age?
Yeah. I farmed before I got that tractor. Using horses.
Using horses?
Yeah.
Was you doing tobacco with horses?
Yeah, doing backer, turning, corn, and everything.
Oh, okay. So you started out in horse days, huh? So this is a big upgrade when you got this. I bet you was excited, huh?
Yeah.
Big addition to the farm. So yeah, we got the wagon back here. We see that in a lot of the video that we've replayed that you filmed back in the late '60s. Was that your tobacco? You cut the tobacco and put on that wagon?
Yeah. Yeah, you can haul a lot of backer on that wagon. You lay it down this way, the sticks.
So you put the
Put the backer sticks this way. Lay them down and just keep going on back to the back. What's that? Is that a pulley off that tractor? Damn, it is. How the devil did that get on stuff?
Well, it looks like your alternator maybe at one time you've replaced it's what you've done. You put it.
That is all.
You've replaced it with a newer one over there. That's the original alternator for it right there.
No, that ain't no alternator.
Or a generator or something.
I don't know what that is.
I think it went right here. Let's look and see.
No, it ain't. What's on that ain't near that heavy.
I know, but this don't look original here. I think you've replaced it at one time.
No.
No?
No, it ain't.
That's heavy duty there.
I don't know what that is, where it come from.
Well, it's there if you ever need it.
There's a relay on it. I don't know where that come from. Ain't nothing on, I ain't got nothing. That might be no. Well, yes, pulley. I guess, no. Pulley wouldn't have a relay on it.
I looked in this room last time I was down here with Joey. You had some lawnmowers in here.
Yeah, there's lawnmowers in there.
This must be your lawnmower room.
I don't know what the hell that is. The lawnmowers in there.
Got you a coal bucket in there.
Old tires. That's some old tires took off the truck.
Snow tires.
Yeah.
Got 3 lawnmowers in there.
Yeah, the stove. Got a good stove. And tires slick.
right. Well, let's get some pictures with him here. We didn't get no pictures. Let's get him set up against this tractor, lean up against this tractor and get some pictures with him. That's all we come down here to do is get some pictures.
I'll get right here.
Well, come right here and stand. That way I can get you right in the middle of it. I can get you better, or up against that wheel or something. You're going to have to probably, I don't know, with the sun, we'll see.
Get right over.
It's all right. You can just, yeah, you can cut filming right now.